Listening to train announcements.
Tracy and Richard are at the train station.
We should go to platform 1.
Okay.
There's an announcement.
Attention please. There is an important change. Train 406 to Taidong will arrive at platform 3, not platform 1. Thank you.
Oh, they changed the platform for our train.
Let's go to platform 3.
They wait at platform 3.
Our train leaves at 11:03 a.m. It'll arrive soon.
Train 406 arrives, and Tracy and Richard find their seats. There's an announcement.
Attention please. Train 406 to Taidong will depart soon. Passengers for train 406 should get on the train now. Thank you.